Hello traders, today I share with you my personal RSI and fractal Quotex strategy. You can also use the strategy any other binary platform you prefer. We'll give free signal on Telegram channel. Link in description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Please watch the full video and don't skip for better understand the strategy. So let's start. First we need to add RSI indicator, so click on indicator icon and let's set up search RSI indicator. I prefer default for basic settings. Then we choose color for this indicator. For baseline we choose yellow. For overbought we choose red. For oversold we also choose red. We again add same indicator. Now we add fractal indicator as default setting. Okay, now let me explain this RSI indicator how it's work. RSI has three main level. The upper level is 70 overbought, indicating overbought condition. The lower level is 30 oversold, indicating oversold condition. And the middle line is 50 period. For upper trade, we use RSI when a clear breaks above 50, signaling a bullish market. And for lower trade, won't breaks below 50 levels, signaling a bearish market. Fractal upside arrow means downtrend and downside arrow means uptrend. Hope you understand. Now I take a live trade on the strategy. So let's wait for good opportunity. Okay, here we find a signal to take a upside sure shot trade opportunity. Based on my strategy. Now here I place a trade for upside in 1 minute expiration. Let's place the trade for upside. I place the upside trade for 1 minute expiration. My trade will be placed in late entry. But don't worry, I will be sure 101% it will be a successful winning. Let's explain why I place the trade. If you follow oversold 50 level, here RSI yellow line cross the 50 level upper side. Next here we see an overbought 30 level. RSI green line will be going for uptrend. And also we see in fractal indicator. Fractal indicator showing us downside arrow. We also know fractal downside arrow means uptrend. Because of this three confirmation, I place the trade, and am sure it will be successful winning trade. Let's see the trade. Okay, here we see our trade will be a deep winning trade. Bye bye for today. See you on next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel and join free Telegram signal group.